Monarch man here, and we're at the EE Gunn Reserve in Ormond for the SMJFL, where we had a competition where we were going to renew a project for a footy club. What we've got inside here is the canteen. We're going to spruce it up and make it look brand new. I'll show you around. So the whole idea here is we're going to renew the inside of the canteen cafeteria type area, and it needs a bit of a freshen up. So we're going to wash everything down first. We're going to repaint the ceiling and the brick walls, and then these tired old timber cupboards here and the laminate melamine cupboards at the bottom need a spruce up as well. We've got the right product, beautiful Monarch products to put the paint on with. Let's get this joint looking brand new. Cheers. Day 4 has just been completed, and so has the project here at EE Gunn Reserve in Ormond. You want to see this transformation? Come and have a look at this. So we started with a canteen that had had a lot of work and needed a little bit of love and TLC. And if you have a look around now, my God, I want to work here and sell hot dogs. This joint is fantastic. Ceilings, walls, painted beautifully now with washable paint that's going to be long lasting, and even more importantly, the cupboards, the old timber cupboards and the melamine old kitchen bottom cupboards here that have had some work over the years, they look brand new. We used really good quality product and we put it on with quality Monarch applicators to get that professional finish. Honestly, this kitchen looks better than the house that I live in. I want to stay here. What a job. We want to say also thanks to the SMJFL for giving us the opportunity to actually put something back into the community. I hope you love it, and we look forward to doing more. Cheers.